Hello, happy Sunday, happy Palm Sunday, everybody. So, in one of my videos, a couple of weeks back, maybe a month back, I told y'all we bought a vacuum, just talking to y'all. And so, we need another vacuum because our other vacuum was shutting down, it wasn't sucking properly. So I wanted to get a really good vacuum, and you know, Dyson is kind of like the top of the line. I always wanted a Dyson anyway. Just my husband didn't want to pay the price, but this is the Dyson Dyson Ball Multi-Floor. I can't remember if it's the 1 or the 2, but it was $300. It does have the swivel ball. It easily maneuvers. Oh, this is the Dyson Slim Ball. Okay. Multi-floor. The Dyson Multi-Floor Slim Ball. So that's what this is. And so this is the canister, so you can empty that. It also has a filter, I believe you can wash. You wash out once a month, let it dry, and put it back in. These are the little wheels on the back. This right here, I don't know what this is, but this is the power button. I think on the back right here is how you release maybe one of these things or whatever. I don't know. It has attachments on it. Let me turn it around. It has this attachment. This attachment right here. I think you can take this head off. And I think that's it. Here's the back wheels. It comes back easily. You gotta kind of like make sure it snaps to stay up. I cut my camera off by mistake. So yeah, you got to read the directions on how to use it so you won't tear it up, because it is an expensive vacuum. My kids have to dump this, but you can see that dust. Look at my daughter's hair, somebody here. And here it picks up and sucks really good. And supposedly it adjusts with the type of carpet that you had. So the machine is supposed to adjust itself. One of the biggest complaints about this particular Dyson is that it was very hard to push on the carpet. So our carpet is it's a builder's grade carpet. You know, it's old, came with the house. And so as you can see, it's not a carpet that has a large pile on it or anything like that. But that was the biggest complaint, was that you had to be Hercules to push the vacuum. You definitely get an arm workout. We tested it before my husband put it together, and we tested it to make sure we didn't have to be Arnold Schwarzenegger to push this doggone thing. And it glides over our carpet with ease. It sucks up very well. Again, it adjusts itself. And the suctioning according to the type of carpet you have. And I could kind of see with carpets that have large, very long piles on there, you know, like almost like a semi-shag type of rug, you know, with the long the long hair type of carpets, how it can probably suck it up too much. But again, Dyson said it's supposed to adjust automatically for the type of carpet that it's, you know, vacuuming up, so it won't suck up the carpet or whatever. But so far we have not ran into that issue, thank goodness, because $300 for a vacuum is not cheap, and we know Dysons are expensive. This was one of their quote-unquote inexpensive vacuums, because the one I really wanted, I think it was like $500, and my husband wasn't going for it. He was like, I'm not spending $500 for a vacuum. He said, you want this one, we get this one. So I said, all right, but that was the only thing holding me back from getting this one, was that was the biggest complaint, that it was hard to push on the carpets. Other than that, it vacuums and sucks up really, really well. And so my daughter said the same thing. It vacuums and sucks up really, really well. And I would agree. And so that is my review on the Dyson multi-floor slim ball vacuum. And you may be able to find some of the bigger, more expensive Dyson vacuums on sale, like at Best Buy, for like, I saw one for like $340 something. It was a complete system. Also, this vacuum is light as well. It's not heavy. It's not heavy at all. So that's another thing when you got to go up and down the stairs, is when you have to carry a heavy vacuum. So I'm gonna just push it around for y'all, just to kind of, you know, show you how it maneuvers. So as you can see, this is the handle. You have to make it click. Let me see. There you go. It clicked to stay up. And then I guess you just push it down and you hear that click again. And, you know, push it. It fits in the tight corners. You know, it swivels around and stuff like that. So this is basically it. Again, I don't know what this red button is for. Maybe it's to unhook the hose, because that's the hose right there. But, and I let the vacuum go and it fell back because I didn't lock it in place. But that is my review on the Dyson Slim Ball Multi-Floor Vacuum. Very good vacuum. Haven't had no problems with it. Haven't had no problems pushing it on the carpet. So it gets a thumbs up for me. So thank y'all for watching. Y'all be safe out there during this quarantine. Don't go out unless you have to. And take care until next time. Peace.